I woke up kind of with a voice that was kind of weird. But we're gonna look at today the seaside house in Livetopia. Since the new updates, I thought they actually only like updated on like Fridays, but apparently not. They also post like mid-week. Fridays are just my favorite because like the updates, and it's also the end of the week. So yeah, I got a notification on the phone, but I'm on tab, so I don't get it why I got one here and the other one there. But it's weird. Oh my god. Okay, we're in here. Oop. There we go. Oh, that's the update we already had. Okay, let's travel. It's kind of glitching. Change. Oh. Build. Okay, it's very laggy right now, but this is the seaside house. Oh my god. This is big. Apparently I heard that there's like a secret carnival or something. Okay, I feel like this is definitely a girl house. Because look at this. It's like a lot of pink. Personally, I like a lot more purple. But with the yellow, I think it will be fine. Since, why do we have a clothes hanger and a washing machine out here? Like, doesn't it get out? I don't get the logics, but we have a pool outside of a pool. That's weird. Stare at the seaside. But apparently there's also like a secret. Go down here. Wait, what? Look, you have a jet ski. This is probably what they were talking about. Wait, can you color this or not? Oh no! Oh my god! I almost broke it. But wow, you now have a jet ski. It's just pink, and you cannot customize them. My favorite colors are purple. If it has to be a pink, it had to be like a very light pink, and also with a purple, because of a reason. Okay, me trying to fit this in is just. Oh my! Oh, there we got it. Woo! Yeah, we don't got it. I don't have any motion. There we go. The lights are on. Okay, well that was one of the things. Why do I have any motion like that? Don't get a button. You also have this area and this. Okay, this house, I'm just gonna get lost in it. You have this. Oh, bro. You could have said I was gonna jump off of it, but no. So, okay, why do these feel like houses? Okay, this is a kid playroom. You have the teddy bears. My god, this one's big. A car. This reminds me kind of like my Club Roblox house with the twins. Yeah, they're not on this game, but have this mysterious ladder. What? Wait, what? There's a door. Wait, a key? Okay, I'm pretty sure this is like a secret. You need a key, but where is a key? have a key to open that? Oh, this one. Oh, the other one has an amazing rooftop. Okay. Love him. Look. You have a balcony. Oop. And oop. Let's go on this. What do we have? Okay, we have this. I do not know how a kid's gonna get up here, but okay. You have this to spy on the neighbors. Wait, what? Okay. Guess you can, but okay. Oh, we still have a lot more to explore of this bedroom. So you can spy on the neighbors. A bathroom. A big closet. With, I don't know what's the... Why does it say oof? What? Oh, it's Louis Vuitton bag. Unexpected, but okay. Okay, we need a key, but where do we find our key? Pretty sure there's more to this house, because, you see. Still don't get why there's a laundry thing out here, but it doesn't make sense, you get me? Okay, spawn back in there. We need a key. Of some sort, but it's glitched. Oh. A compass in this. Wait. Have this to stay safe. Probably not a good idea. And you have a compass. For what? Oh my god. Okay guys, I found the key. It's this thing up here. This is the key that you need. You see this? I don't know why I have this emotion, but I just have it. Okay, where was the door? It was in here, right? No, it was in the... Where was the... No, I think it was over here, right? Yes, Thanks, I don't get it. Okay, yeah, this was in... We got in. Wait, what? Don't close on me. Don't close. What in the world? Purple and blue mushrooms. Look! It's a merry-go-round. This is odd. Why we have a merry-go-round inside of our house. Is there any music? Wait. Okay, this is odd. What in the world was that? I don't get it. What was that? What was the music? I remember merry-go-rounds when I was a kid. And we used to go to the mall. And I'd ride on those merry-go-rounds, but they were very small. And now I can barely fit on them, so. I grew a lot. That was when I was like 5 years? Yeah, that was a long time ago. But what? So weird. You need the key, but the key is all the way up here. Up here. And boom, we have a key. Okay, this is still very odd. The music was something. It pushes you back. Oh, this is so weird. Let me get on one of the horses. What? Okay, the music's too loud. This is weird. It's just like a dark room in this. Would very percent would not go there, but yeah. I get it. Well, something I think is kind of weird is that this is like a kid's playroom, but there's a secret carnival inside of this. So meanwhile, if you adopt the child may know how to get in here, and the parents probably just looking for the child, you'll know. Meanwhile, they're in a carnival. Exactly. That's what I don't get. Yeah, I don't get that. It's literally meowing. Oh, that's kind of annoying, but I'm gonna end it here. But yeah. Okay, this is weird. We're gonna end it here because my cat literally sounds like a dying cow meowing. So yeah, I think he's an alien. I mean, they do act kind of weird, but I think he's actually an alien. But I still like my cat a lot, so this is where we're gonna end it because yeah, that's what happens. But by the way, this house is just pretty and very pretty. Bye.